What's up, y'all? It's your girl SRT Marie. Y'all already know what time it is. I know y'all see that title. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, make it gray, not red, and turn on those post notification bells. Y'all, the sun is really beaming right now. It looks really good on my skin. But dang, look at the video. Okay, so y'all already know I'm about to do my Chrome delete, y'all. Long overdue. Long. I'm trying to get the right view without this damn sun. Oh my god. Okay, right there. Okay, so long overdue for my Chrome delete. So I have I'm gonna show y'all my materials in a minute. I'm finna have Chris hold the camera for me because y'all know this is for my business logs. So y'all know this video is for my channel, not the McKnight fam. So Chris is gonna hold the camera. He is gonna be helping me a little bit, so don't be surprised by seeing him. But yeah, y'all look at this. Okay, but yeah, I got my new decal, y'all. My last one, I had got another one in the font that I told you couldn't read it, so I had to get a new font. But yeah, looks better now. I love the way it looks now. Like, it actually makes me feel like when I put it on there, I'm like, oh, okay. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so first I have to clean where I'm gonna be putting it. So I'm gonna put some alcohol. Make sure you gotta clean all the dust off of there. Like, and my truck dusty too. It needs to be washed. And I'm gonna get you right and clean. Okay, y'all, so here is a before of the Chrome that I'm going to delete. Okay, here's a before of the Chrome. Okay, so it's all around the windows, the doors that I'm going to be deleting, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I want to check in and show y'all the progress. Look at this. So we just got this top part to do. Well, we got to do some like little cutting. You can see like this piece needs to go, so we have to cut that. But for the most part, y'all, what do y'all think so far? It's gonna look good. So the next thing with the Chrome that I'm gonna delete is my grill. I'm actually probably gonna just have someone do this Chrome delete because this gonna be a little hard. You see, you got it inside and this like top part, so yeah. And my truck dirty, so don't mind it, but it's coming together, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all the finished on both sides. Okay, y'all, so y'all know yesterday it got dark, so I wasn't able to show y'all like the finished, but let me show y'all what it looks like in the daytime. Look at this, y'all. Yeah, like, stop playing. Let me come back so I can get a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Yeah, this lit. Now I gotta do that Now I just have to get this done. And I'm going to that shit look good, y'all. It look good. My baby just need a wash now. But hair all in my face, the wind is blowing, y'all. But yeah, I'm really happy how it came out. I had my doubts because, you know, I'm doing it myself, and I feel like it's not too bad for a DIY. You know, I can always, you know, if I want something different, take it off, get someone to do it, or do something different myself. But yeah, y'all, so make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, make it great not red, and turn on those post notification bells. Y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that like button, okay? So drop a comment if y'all want more content like this, DIYs, and I will drop more. So stay tuned for the next video. Should I give a fuck about nigga? I'll never show some nigga, miss you, it's more jealous. Spend a bag, no sleep, no channel.